Hello everyone, greetings from St. Pascal Bailon Parish, Yabong, Samar. Today is a very special day to all of us because we are celebrating the birthday of a wonderful person, a loving person, and a good friend to all, and even to me. She's very good to me. And above all, a devout Catholic. Sister Rosa, or we call her Nanay Rosa. I remember her very well when I was assigned in Lunoy. So gipapakaon ako niya. Danay nakatulog ako ay sala, antes ako pumadtuha sala. She was very jolly, friendly. And ako lang hinumduman niya na as I am doing this video greetings to her. At iya bugto na inere. I'm also praying for her eternal redeems. I miss them very much. To you, Nay Rosa, as you celebrate your milestone today, your big day today, I'm praying to God to give you more years to live colored with wonderful moments with your family, relatives, and friends. Happy birthday and mabuhay ka. And don't forget that the patroness of Lunoy, our Lady Mama Mary, our Lady Fatima, loves you also. And to all the attendees of this affair, birthday celebration, I will ask you to pray for Mana Rosa or Nanay Rosa. Once again, not only to her, sa akin din. You pray for my priesthood. I need it very much. So once again, to all of you, bye-bye, and may God bless you.